Standard 2nd, Maths, chapter number 10, more about shapes. Continue from solid shapes. We see a lot of objects around us with different shapes. Let us learn about these solid shapes. So first, face, edges and vertex of a solid. A is given. Each side of this solid shape is a surface and it's called a face, which can be flat or curved. B. Two faces always meet at an edges which can be straight or curved. These edges meet at a point called vertex. So here I will show you all the examples, and afterwards I will show you that curve shape, vertex what we will say, and faces. So first is cuboid. Look at the object given below. Here they have given in the cuboid shape matchstick it is there, cupboard is there, gift box it is there, and blackboard duster. I am showing you here blackboard duster. Okay. So each of these object has the shape of a cuboid. So you can see that it is here they have given, but if we will consider here that it is a straight, then it is in the cuboid shape. So you can see this corner, this 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same way that side if we will consider, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is called vertex. Vertex means corner. Okay. Then you can see that this shape, this side, this, all are flat face. And edges means you can see these lines. Okay. So it is called edges. If you want to do experiment like this at home, then you take a compass box and you have to check that how many vertex are there, flat faces are there, and edges are there. Okay. So here they have given arrow that this line you can see it is called edges, this shape are called faces, and these corners are there, it is called vertex. Vertex, we will speak vertex and corner both are same. So each face of the cuboid is a rectangle. So here they have given shape of rectangle, and I have given example of compass box. Okay. So remember a cuboid has 6 faces. How many faces are there? 6 faces. Okay. 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now I am counting here. I am showing you that how it consider. That first see cuboid has 6 faces. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Then this downside it is there, that is 4. This side it is will become 5, and this side we are not able to see, but that is 6. Total number of how many faces are there? 6 faces. Now edges means corner. So this is first corner, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, and that downside will be there in opposite of these 3. That side it will be there, that is 8. Okay. Imaginary line I am drawing so you can understand that it is a 8 number. Okay. So how many vertex are there? 8. That it is written 8. Then that side it is 9. Here you will be confused, but you take a compass box and you count that, you will get 8 vertex and 12 edges. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That we are not able to see that 8. So you count it, you will get the answer. Total number of edges are also 12. Okay. Cube. Look at the object given below. Dice given, building block given, sugar cube given, and Rubik cube. Now I have this chalk box. Okay. So it is just like a cube. So I am showing you, see 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is called vertex. If I will turn this side, then also 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I will turn this side, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means corner of this box it is called vertex. Now you can see this flat face. Okay. So it is called face. it is also called face, 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 and downside it is face. And edges, edges means you have to consider this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So remember, a cube has 6 faces. As I have counted, that 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex. In the same way, sphere it is there. Look at the object given below. Tennis ball given, football given and globe given. So each of these object has the shape of a sphere. A sphere has only one curve surface. You will see that it has only one curve surface. It don't have vertex or it does have edges also. Just it has a curve shape. Here they have given figure. You can see these lines. So it is called curve surface. Each of these objects has the shape of a sphere. A sphere has only one curve surface. You can see that it has only one curve surface. See. Now remember, a sphere has one curve face, 0 edges and 0 vertices. Cylinder. Cylinder. Look at the object given below. Here they have given example of coke can, candle, tube light and cell. Each of these object has the shape of a cylinder. You can see this shape given cylinder. So it has a flat faces on both the sides. Then it is called curve face and curve edges. You can see that edges is, you can see this, it is called edges. Okay. So remember, a cylinder has one curve face, 2 flat faces, 2 curve edges and 0 vertices. Again I am showing you. If you don't understand, then see, it is called face. What? I am writing F. Okay. So you can understand. Flat face, on both the side it is there. Then this is called curve face. Okay. And this, you can see this line. Okay. Line only I am telling, don't consider this. So this line are called curve edges. What we will speak? Curve edges. So I am showing you here line. So it is called curve edges. CE means curve edges. Clear? Now cone. Look at the object given below. Funnel is given, ice cream cone is given, birthday cap is given. So you can see the shape of all these objects. It looks like a cone. So each of these objects has the shape of cone. So here they have given shape of cone and see this corner. Corner means it is showing vertex. This you can see it is called curve face. These are curve edges and these are flat face. So how many corners are there? Only one, right? Then curve face. How many curve face it is there? One. Curve edge also one. And flat face is also one. So in cone, a cone has one curve face, one flat face, one curve edges and one vertex. One thing you have to remember, when cone it is coming, means it has everything one, means curve one curve, one face, flat face, one curve edge and one vertex. Exercise 5. Match the following. Here they have given cylinder shape and cuboid shape, right? Here cube given and cylinder shape given. Here sphere given and cube shape given. Cone shape and cylinder. Cuboid. Okay. So cone and cuboid. So now we have to read this cylinder and cube. So where you can see the shape of cylinder and cube. So a cylinder and cube. So we have done match. Cuboid and cone. So where is cuboid? Yes, here is it is cuboid and cone. So you have to do match cuboid and cone. Now third, cuboid and cylinder. So where you can see cuboid and cylinder, it is a cuboid and it is a cylinder. So we have done match of these two. Cube and sphere. So it is a cube shape and it is upside that ball, you can see it is called sphere. So sphere. Now take the correct shape of the following object. What is the shape of this ball? So sphere. So we have done circle on sphere. What is the shape of this ice cream cone? Obviously CUNE cone. So we have done circle on the cone. Now it is the shape of cube. Okay, dice. So this is the dice. So its shape is like a cube. So we have done circle on the cube. Now it is a Rubik cube. So its shape is of a cube. So we have done circle on the cube. Now this is the shape of the cylinder. Dustbin it is there. So it is a cylinder. So we have done circle on the cylinder. This is the sphere ball. It looks like a ball. So we have done circle on the sphere. So here exercise 5 completed. Now I will show you exercise 6 in the next video.